Yo brolies, what's up? Welcome to another unscripted unboxing video, which is another format that I'm trying to explore in this channel so that I can give you a quick look on some of the products that I want to create a full review, but I also want to show you quickly as soon as it arrives. So right here we have the LoFree Flow mechanical keyboard, and I'm going to share with you the unboxing, overview, and of course sound test. With that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so right here we have the packaging for the LoFree Flow. This is a part of the Maker 2M Squared product lineup of LoFree, and this is a low profile mechanical keyboard. So as you can see, the packaging is pretty premium, or at least it looks like a premium keyboard for me, especially considering that it is a relatively inexpensive keyboard for what it can offer. So here at the back we have the key specifications, and we have this slide type initial packaging, and then we have the main box right here. So upon opening the box, we have some information right here, and then we have a foam protection, which is nice, and then there you go, we have the LoFree Flow mechanical keyboard itself protected by soft plastic. And then after that we have a sort of wallet right here that has some of its paperwork. So right here we have the user manual, and then we have this Chinese paperwork. If I have to guess, this is a warranty card, and then we have this quality control paperwork as well. There you have it. And then all that is left inside this box is the USB cable for wired mode, of course. This is a dual mode keyboard, so we have wired and Bluetooth connection, but we don't have the 2.4 gigahertz frequency. Alright, so let's take a look at the keyboard itself. Oh, it looks quite clean, except for the sub-legends on this part, but for the most part it looks very clean and minimal in my opinion. So it is also relatively lightweight and absolutely gorgeous. So let's do a quick weight test first before we take a look around the keyboard. It's going to be targeted towards minimalist users, office users, portable gamer, portable or work from home users as well. So weight is an absolute importance. 565, so that's actually not that bad. There you have it. So it is made mostly out of aluminum in terms of the chassis, and then we have, if I have to guess, we have an aluminum plate, and then of course the rest is made out of plastic. Alright, so let's take a look around the keyboard. First, let's talk about the layout. It features a 75% layout. We have the nav cluster keys, the arrow keys, the alphanumeric keys, and of course the function rows up top. And as you can tell, we don't have any partition between the cluster keys, so it's kind of hard to transition to this keyboard or to this layout if you're used to the standard exploded layout. And I've experienced that with similar keyboards like this, especially when doing typing tests in monkey type. Alright, so aside from that, the keycaps are made out of PBT dye sub, if I have to guess. Yeah, it looks like a PBT dye sublimated characters right here. And then we have our switches right here. And then it is also hot swappable, but we'll tackle that more on the full review. I just want to give you the unboxing experience. So yeah, the keycaps are fairly clean, like I said, except for this part. I'm not very fond of this. If I'm LoFree, I'm going to include an alternative keycaps for this instead of just, saving money for a combination of the legends right here. Now let's do a quick parts overview. Flipping it here on the front side, we have visible screws, very, very subtle. It's not entirely obtrusive. And then we have an LED indicator right here at the center. Flipping it here on this side, it is fairly flat, but since we have a stand right here, it can sit a little bit on an angle. And as you can tell, the keycaps and switches combines for a very low profile keyboard. And then flipping it here at the back side, we can see that angled stand, and of course we have the switch for on and off for Bluetooth connectivity, and of course we have the USB Type-C port for wired mode and for charging. Now flipping it here at the back or at the bottom, we have 4 rubber feet and raised feet right here for more ergonomic form factor. We also have this part right here, which I believe has the battery. And yeah, we also have LED ambient lighting right here, which I'll show you when we do the full review. There you have it, guys. Now, before we move on, let me share with you a quick sound test for the out-of-the-box sound signature of this keyboard. And there you have it for the unboxing, overview, and sound test of the LoFree Flow mechanical keyboard. But before you go, I'm also going to share with you a little bit more information just in case you're interested. This is currently available in Kickstarter, by the way, and I'll put some links in the description below. But aside from that, it also has illumination, which you can press F5 and 6. I don't have it connected to the Bluetooth right now, but I'll share with you more information about that on the full review. But as for my first impressions, it is a very minimalist looking keyboard, very slim and very elegant, I would say, and would match any type of desk setup theme, especially with the white and silver with a little bit of rose gold accent here on the bottom left corner. Overall, my first impressions about this keyboard, it is a very good keyboard, and the switches are actually very nice as well. The stabilizers are very nice as well. It reminds me of the Nufi Air series, but a little bit different in terms of overall appeal. But it has the same characteristics, that it is good looking and good sounding out of the box as well. I don't know if you can hear it, but the stabilizers sounds really good out of the box, as well as the switches. What I have here is Kale low profile switches made out of fully POM material. I'll put an image on the screen so that you can have an idea about the specifications, but it does really sound good out of the box. So if you're looking for a very good low-profile keyboard, you can also check the LoFree. It is a good alternative, in my opinion, basing from my first overall experience of this keyboard. So yeah, there you have it, guys. That is for now for the unboxing, overview, and sound test of this keyboard, and hopefully I was able to give you a little bit of an idea about the product before I share with you my full review. On the full review, what I'm going to share with you is my overall experience about this. Does it have any problems with the wireless stability and performance? And I'm also going to share with you a teardown experience of this keyboard, although honestly I don't think it needs to be taken apart, because again, it sounds and feels really good out of the box. But I'm going to share with you a teardown experience anyways, because that's what we do here on the channel. Aside from that, I'm also going to share with you the illumination, of course, more information about the switches and keycaps and all the functionalities, especially the ambient lighting right here. So that's what coming up next when I do or release the full review. So make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys. You're always awesome. And let me know in the comments below if this sort of new format that I'm exploring on our channel is good for you, or would you rather wait for the full review instead of having another video for just the unboxing. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. As I said, you're always awesome.